In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of OneDrive Red X, eliminate sync issues, 5 minutes. If you're seeing a red X on your OneDrive files, it usually means something isn't syncing correctly. Maybe a folder is too large, permissions got mixed up, or your local list of folders doesn't match what's in the cloud. The quickest way to clear these errors is to review what you're syncing and, if needed, reconnect OneDrive so it starts fresh. And I'll walk you through both options. Start by clicking the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar to open the OneDrive panel. From there, open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. This is where you control which folders live on your computer and how your PC is linked to your OneDrive. Choose Folders to open the list of everything in your OneDrive. Uncheck any folders you want to unsync from this PC. This is a safe way to reduce conflicts and clear red X icons on items you don't need locally. Unsyncing removes those folders from your computer, but they stay in OneDrive online, so you're not deleting anything from the cloud. When you've made your selections, click OK to apply. Give it a moment. OneDrive will refresh, and you should see the red X go away on items you no longer sync. If the issue affects a lot of files or keeps coming back, a quick reconnect often fixes it. Go back to the Account tab and select Unlink this PC. Confirm the unlink when prompted. This pauses sync and disconnects the account on this device, but your existing local files remain in place. Next, sign into OneDrive again to re-establish the connection. The setup flow will prompt you to pick your OneDrive folder location and choose which folders to sync. This is a good time to be selective. Start with the folders you need right away. A lean initial sync typically finishes faster and avoids immediate conflicts. Once you're signed in, OneDrive will begin a clean sync, rebuilding its indexes and permissions. That fresh start is what clears most red X errors. After the reconnect, let OneDrive run for a bit. You'll see status indicators change as files update. Keep your device online and avoid putting it to sleep until the sync settles. If you're close to your OneDrive storage limit or low on local disk space, that can also manifest as red X icons, so be aware of capacity while you choose folders. That's it. By unsyncing unneeded folders or unlinking and signing in again, you'll eliminate the red X and get OneDrive back to a healthy, reliable sync.